Here are 5 things you didn't know about the night that saved an entire people from genocide. First, King Xerxes couldn't sleep one specific night, and this single bout of insomnia changed Jewish history forever. Second, instead of counting sheep, he ordered his servants to read the royal chronicles aloud as a sleep aid. Third, as the boring records droned on, they discovered something shocking. A man named Mordecai had once saved the king's life by exposing an assassination plot, but he was never rewarded. Fourth, the timing was absolutely mind-blowing. That very same night, an evil official named Haman had just finished building gallows to hang Mordecai the next morning. Fifth, this wasn't coincidence. God had orchestrated this sleepless night to save all Jews from complete destruction. One night of insomnia led the king to honor Mordecai instead of executing him, which ultimately exposed Haman's plot to murder every Jewish person in the empire. Divine providence working through a restless night.